we're going to be making slime. The ingredients are glue, hot water, a mixing bowl or any type of container you have to mix in, a spoon and fork, and then of course borax. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your glue. You only want 2 globs. And I forgot to mention, you also need food coloring. So I have blue, green, red, and yellow, and what I'm gonna pick is blue. And it's your choice how much of the food coloring you wanna put in. I only want 1 drop because I want mine very light colored. You're just gonna stir that really well. So now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your hot water, and really you don't really need this much. I thought I would need a lot, but you just want like a very small amount of borax. Like I think that much is enough. You're gonna put that in and stir. And you add a very small amount of borax and water at a time. You have to start mixing it immediately. You can already see most of it coming together like that. And you're gonna need more than 1 spoon, depending on how much you put. If you're making very little, you don't even need more than 1 spoon. So it's like almost there. It'll sort of clean out the mixing bowl itself as you mix because it's pulling everything from all the sides. I think like half a spoon would be enough. To see if it's too sticky, you're just gonna poke it lightly. So as you can see, my finger got a lot on it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put a little bit more borax and water. Don't put too much because then you have to make a whole new batch. You can sort of hear it. Almost there. You're gonna wanna touch it again, just to test. So, stir a little bit more, and if it's still sticky, then you'll add more. But other than that, you just keep stirring. This might take you a while, so the more glue you put, the stickier it is, and the more borax and water you put, the less sticky it is. But it also hardens a lot, so you're gonna wanna be careful on how much you put. So I think this much borax and water would be enough for my amount. Yeah, so it's almost there, like, just need to stir a little bit more. So I'm adding 1 or 2 more drops because it's still very sticky. And also, I tried in a plastic cup and it did not work, like it's really hard to get out. But now that I'm trying it in the glass bowl, it's coming out really well. So try to get something non-sticky or maybe glass. Ooh, I think it's done. So you'll sort of see it clean out the container like this. Once it comes out, you could just play with it. And the more you play with it, like the less sticky it also gets. I'm really happy with how this turned out because I love the color and like it's just really fun. So this is how it looks after a few hours. Everything's sort of set in place, and it's really fun to play with. I sort of just like stretching it out and blowing bubbles. And don't forget to wash your hands after playing with it because it has chemicals. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye!